now we are heading towards Samia, Star and Farishta, which is 1.6 kilometer from this metro station, and yes, we are going towards it. So this is the first traffic signal. We have just crossed it. On our left hand side it's Danube's building. And here we go, this is the second signal, and just after the signal you can see these buildings. The first one is Samia, and Samia building is almost complete, ready for handover. The second building is Star from Azizi, and the third building is Farishta. So these the Samia one and the other one, Farishta, is ready for the handover. And let's check this one from inside the lobby area and the other areas, like how long will it take for the finishing work. And this is the bridge. If we would have gone from this bridge straight, it is taking us to Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road and Al Yalyalisi Street. It will take us to. So this is the building Samia. This one is a Star. I believe it will take like a bit time for Star to be completed, like maybe I would say like 2 or 3 months more. And this is Farishta by Azizi. So it's ready. Let's go in the reception area.